Hey guys, I hope you all are doing well. I know it's been super crazy busy. I mean, it's the holidays, so that's kind of expected, more than kind of. I know I've been busy. We've been busy doing things, getting ready for Christmas and whatnot, but I hope you all are doing well. I do apologize. This is kind of like coming late. I am gonna share this month's Whiff box, and if you're not aware of what the Whiff box is, it is a mystery box that Scentsy releases every month, and it is $35, and it usually has like $45 to $60 worth of product in it. It's really, really cool. And this month I had to get it because it's pretty exclusive, and every month there's like exclusive products in there. So I'm looking forward to sharing that with you. I meant to do this earlier this week, but a good friend of mine passed away, and other than that, we've been busy and just had a lot going on. So here I am. But also, I do have a couple of housekeeping things. Obviously, the shipping cutoff for Christmas gifts, we're no longer going to receive Christmas gifts, if you order today or whatever. But it was 2 days ago, and I even told my clients that they should order even before that. So, because you just never know with shipping. But, and Scensy's home office will be closed for, I think, like a week or two, but my website will still be up live and whatnot. But a couple of things. So starting on the 26th, so next Friday, we will be having a after Christmas sale. So directly from Scentsy, it says, for one day only, we're offering 30% off the seasonal products that made this year special, from cozy harvest collection to sparkling holiday favorites. There's nothing specific, but it does say look for discounts on the Harvest Collection, Holiday Collection, Scents of the Season, Holiday Bricks, and Holiday Specials, including Contemporary, All Is Calm, Gingerbread, and Merry and Bright. When the sale ends, items that are still in stock will go back to regular price. And I imagine most, if not all, of these items will go away at the end of the month. So that's kind of exciting. I know some people really like after Christmas sales because it's a good time to save some money. Hey Sheila, I'll see you Sunday. But yeah, so after Christmas sale on Sunday. I almost dropped you. Oopsie. I got this new thing for my phone and it's not wanting to cooperate. Well, it keeps falling, so I'm just gonna put you right here. There we go. Okay, so that's after Christmas sale. That is on Friday, 30% off. And also there's going to be a Tangled collection for, I believe, the 15th anniversary of Tangled. Yes, 15th anniversary of Tangled. There's going to be a Maximus, the horse in the movie, in Tangled. Maximus Buddy, and a Pascal Buddy clip. If you don't know, I have Pascal tattooed on my arm, so I'm going to have to get that. And then there will be a wax bar, and the wax bar is called Rapunzel Spirited Determination. And this is, the description says, it is watermelon sugar, makes me think of Harry Styles, watermelon sugar, strawberry swirl, bubblegum, and vanilla bean. So, in the fruity category for sure, but also probably kind of sweet. I'm really intrigued by that though. So, Tangled collection, I'll put the link in the comments. But without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and open the Whiff box. I have not opened this yet. I've not smelled anything. To be honest with you, I remember maybe one or two things that's in this. But it is Scentsy's new branding, and I think it's super duper cute. They completely rebranded this over the summer, just to kind of give it a fresh look and make it look super modern. The box is also different too. It's got this side pattern, very cute. All right, so once I open it and take the air pocket thing out, it's always going to come with some information about the box. So this says Like silver and gold, friends are forever. Your December Whiff box is inspired by the gift of friendship. As precious as silver and gold, these exclusive collections from Scentsy executive co-chair Heidi Thompson are heartfelt reminders that we're better together. That's really cute. And it actually has a picture of Heidi right here. Very nice. And then this is actually like a little letter from Heidi. It's not, it looks like it is handwritten, but it's obviously a copy. It says, make new friends, but keep the old. One is silver, the other gold. A fire burns bright, it warms the heart. We've been friends from the very start. Silver is precious, gold is too. Together, more precious, our value shines through. Across the land, across the sea, friends forever will always be. Heidi Thompson. That is really sweet. I really like that. That's cute. And it's got like a pine tree up here. Very cute. Okay, so once you open the box, this is what it looks like. I'm trying not to have anything spill out. But the branding is completely new. I know I just said that, but as soon as you open it, you get the Scentsy Air, which is, if you're familiar with our Scentsy Air products that used to be called fan diffusers, they're not now called, just referred to as Air, like Scentsy Air Go, Scentsy Air Mini, yeah. But the regular Scentsy Air is kind of like a warmer, but it uses the Scentsy pods, and that is the thing with the beads inside, with the casing. Very nice for kids' rooms, or if you have pets, because it's not like messy or anything like that. Also, I'm gonna go ahead and open this because this is completely exclusive to the Whiff box. You cannot purchase this, you know, on the website or anything like that, not individually. All right. This has got some weight to it. It's really nice. Okay, and you have a cord. It uses a USB cord. Looks like it's a USB-A. Yeah. Okay. Oh yeah, this has really cute detail. I might have to put this somewhere, find somewhere to put this in our house. It's really nice. I love the gold. It says Scentsy on the back there. And this is how you turn it off and on from this button. And your cord goes in here, and your other side of the cord goes, you plug it in, obviously. It doesn't use batteries. We do have a system that uses batteries, but not this one. And then we have, it looks like most of the fragrances are in the same fragrance, or same scent, if you will. All right, cool. So this scent is silver and gold, and obviously it goes along with the box. That's really nice. So what's also really cool is with the new packaging, this feels like really sleek, which is cool. There's also, you can see the scent notes there. It's right under silver and gold. So it says golden pineapple, sweet strawberry, silver woods. So no like extra words or anything. So here's the pods. So you would take one or both of these out, and then, oh, this smells really nice. It's a good winter, with the, let's see, silver woods in there. It's a really good like winter scent, which I know is the purpose, but you just pop the pods right in here. It has a fan at the bottom, and once you plug it in and turn it on, it will blow the fragrance out through the fan. Really cool. This product alone, not including the pods, is $35, and that is the cost of this box. Actually, I think it's $30, yes. The pods are $10 each, so that's a really good deal already. This is very nice, very good quality. It's got like some texture to it. It's very, very nice. I like that a lot. All right, and then we have Scentsy Soak, which is a product that we used to have in the catalog or on the website all the time. And it is essentially a bath soak. Or sometimes I love to put it in a foot spa and give myself a pedicure, essentially. So it's basically a deconstructed bath bomb. It has all like the salts and stuff in here, and it's very like moisturizing, smells really good. And this is that same fragrance, the silver and gold with the pineapple, strawberry, and silver woods. So I will definitely be using this. This is a smaller version of what it normally comes in. It looks like this is maybe good for like 2 uses or something like that. But yeah, it's really, really nice. So that is the Scentsy Soak. And then we have, a wax bar called Amber and Peach. I think this is the scent of the month for, January. So don't quote me on that, but I'm pretty sure it is. So we have the new packaging here with the new logo, really cute, very modern and sleek. I really like the look of that. All right, so Amber and Peach. This is peach, amber, and vanilla. Very simple, but let's see how it smells. Ooh, that's very nice. That's a good winter fragrance too. I mean, it's probably good like all the time, but I really like woodsy fragrances in the winter time. But with the added peach and vanilla, oh, it's very nice. It kind of gives me like perfume or like cologne vibes, but I like it. Yeah, I would warm this like probably in our bedroom. That's really, really nice. So that releases next month. It is Amber and Peach. Yeah, that's really, really good. And it will be on sale. All right, lastly, we have another like brand new product exclusive to the Whiff box. I'm not sure if this will be available, all the time, but I think they are in talks of making these like a regular thing, which I love. So this is Travel Spray, and it is in the silver and gold fragrance, not to be confused with what I just smelled, but it is in the same fragrance as this and the Scentsy Soak. So it's that pineapple, strawberry, woodsy scent. Yeah, very nice. So Travel Spray. This, let's see, what is there like instructions as to like where you would use this? Okay, I was just curious. It looks like there might be like a extra, like kind of like on a medicine bottle, like an extra flap where you can see like directions. But essentially, if I had to guess, I would use this like in my car, in my hotel room, in my camper, in my cruise stateroom. I only say that because we're going on a cruise in February. Which is kind of funny because when we go on vacation, we always bring a room spray, a Scentsy room spray, to have in the bathroom, obviously. That's, no secret, but to also like if your hotel room smells kind of dull or stale, or your Airbnb, anything like that, you can have it just like ready for you. And this is 2 ounces. The room sprays, I think, are 4 or 5. I can't remember, but this is perfect. It's TSA approved for sure because it's 2 ounces. But yeah, that's really exciting. We might take this on our trip in February, so that's really cool. Very exciting. All right, so that is your Whiff box. The value of it is kind of hard to predict because it has new and kind of like exclusive products, but it is definitely around a $60 value for $35. So I'll put the link in the comments. This box is only available for the rest of the month. And products can vary if like things run out or whatever, but super, super exciting. I am excited. We will be releasing a new catalog the spring and summer. I don't even want to think about like spring and summer, but I'm just excited to see what else they might come up with in the coming, months and the new season. So really looking forward to it. But if you're watching the replay of this, comment replay. If you're watching this on YouTube, I'm so sorry I haven't released a video in so long, but thank you so much for watching. I'd love it if you would like this video and subscribe. Either way, thank you for watching, and I hope you guys have a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye, guys.